The Arangül brand has a new generation of slide coupling for PE and PVC pipes. The clean water used in all the infrastructures of the world for the PVC and PP pipes in case of rupture or deformation, it is about a video guide showing how to repair the defect. First, we know our product, the repair line coupling. Our product consists of nut, seal, body, ring, and clamping ring. We dig the fault zone. We cut the defective part using pipe scissors at the end of the pipes with our pipe and enhancement unit. Do not tear the joint. Slightly lift the left pipe and push the nut until the ring comes out of the end of the pipe with the gasket inside the body. Then we put the nut and the ring on the right pipe by scrolling through the previous body and sorting by 2 pipes. Then tighten the nuts to correct the problem. If the defect covers a larger area of the pipe, we cut the defective area with scissors and correct the ends of the pipe with our fixture. We lift the pipe slightly to the left side and install the nut of coupling with its seal. We fix the nut to the pipe wide enough to cover the area of malfunction. Then we center the body on the pipe and tighten the end pieces. At the other end of the additional pipe, we put the nut of the defected coupling, the ring, and body. After placing the nut and ring at the other end and sorting the body, we proceed to tighten and solve the problem. Water does not forgive error. Do not risk your work. Use Arangül brand products made with 30 years of experience.